video natin ngayon mga kamaestro ay pag-usapan naman natin itong GSIS MPL Lite. Ayan, so alamin po natin ang mga qualifications, no, kung paano ba tayo makaka-avail nitong GSIS MPL Lites. Alright, so yan. So ito po ay ang information pong ibabahagi natin, of course, ay galing po yan sa official Facebook page po mismo ng GSIS. Ayan, so nakalagay dyan, para sa biglaang bayarin, pag-aanin natin, hatid po yan ng multi-purpose loan Lite. So, ang pwede po natin ma-avail na amount ay from 5,000, maximum po is 50,000 pesos. At ang maganda po rito, pwede natin pong ma-avail yan sa pamagitan po ng ating GSIS Touch. Alright, so hindi mo na po natin kailangan pumunta pa sa GSIS na mga offices. So, pwede po tayo makapag-apply, no, gamit po ang ating GSIS Touch. Alright, so yan po yung ating MPL Lite. And ang nakalagay po dyan is 6 to 7% interest rate. Now, alamin po natin ano naman yung mga qualification, paano ba tayo makaka-avail nitong ating GSIS MPL Lite. Bago po yung mga qualification, alamin muna po natin yung background po nitong bagong GSIS MPL Lite. Ayan, so nakalagay po dyan, MPL Lite is a short-term loan program that will supplement the immediate needs of active members with sufficient net take-home pay to qualify for additional GSIS loans or renewal of existing loans. Ultimately, MPL Lite shall emerge as a beacon of financial stability for members as it endeavors to safeguard their well-being while steering them away from predatory lending practices. It does not only aim to support their immediate needs but also allow them to regain control over their finances and secure their financial future. Alright, po, alamin naman natin yung mga qualification po or sino-sino ba dito yung mga qualified na borrowers para dito sa GSIS MPL Lite. An active member under permanent and non-permanent status, including special members tagged as such in their respective members' service profiles or MSPS, whose agency has a MOA with GSIS may avail of MPL Lite provided that they are, ito po yung mga qualification, first, not on leave of absence without pay at the time of application. Ayan, pangalawa po, has at least 1 month premium contributions for both personal share and government share at the time of application. Pangatlo naman po, has no pending administrative case or criminal case provided, however, that if the pending administrative case or charge is for a light offense, the borrower shall remain eligible. Pang-apat naman po, has no GFAL account in default except housing loan. Pang-lima naman po, the agency status is not suspended. And ang panghuli, pang-anim, the resulting net take-home pay after loan availment is not lower than the amount required under the General Appropriations Act after all required monthly obligations have been deducted. Alright, so yan po yung mga qualification po kung ikaw ay nais mag-avail nitong ating GSIS MPL Lite. So kung pasok po kayo dito sa 6 na qualification po ito, ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Pwede nyo na pong subukan itong ating GSIS MPL Lite. Alright, so dito ko naman natatapusin itong ating video ngayon mga kapaestro. Kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakakapanood ng mga videos na ina-upload natin. Katulad ito yung mga updates about sa GSIS and other benefits ng mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para manonotify ka, updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
One, two, three, come on!